You KOP fools continue to underestimate me and all of us.
I knew he was big, but they didn't prepare us for this! Please, don't hurt me! I have a family!
A family, huh?
Yes! My wife and son!
So, you have a kid, but you abandoned him to go on life-threatening missions to destroy us?
A check is a check! I don't want to leave him!
Then you shouldn't have come here! Come here!
Jeez, you really freaked out when he started talking about his family.
Fathers who abandon their sons must pay a hefty price.
Did that happen to you?
Long ago when I was a child, a normal human boy,